Johnson Motor Cars, there's another one of your 427 small block Ford. Keep description of combinations. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. Obviously it's Borla. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Got our front end on it. Front sump oil pan. Fuel management. Holley Terminator X. Great system. Go under and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, like 3,400, 512 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 551, peak horsepower 543, rate of 520. It's got our new head on, and obviously the Borla helps that combination tremendously. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure exhaust's good and clean for you, show you a couple other things. See if you're ready to find this thing that looks like a credit card, it's a USB card, full of technical information. Engine build specs, dyno video, tech stuff. Highly recommend plugging in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. Have an engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. If you need anything from us, flip it over, QR code. There again will lead you to some more tech stuff. So really recommend watch all this stuff and it will help you out. Have a great day.